So I'm just going to show you how to find the zeros for problem 7. So let's pull up a graphing calculator. And I have already typed the problem in. X to the 4th minus 17x cubed plus 11x squared minus 297x plus 270. All right, we'll say graph. And there's our picture. You have to be real careful about checking these zeros. They look like they land on integers. We just have to check them. And so it is actually 2 and 3, not 2 and 4. You're not skipping it there, I think. But we're going to check those. And you check them. Let me write down what we're guessing. We're saying, okay, 2 and 3. And you do second calc value and plug in 2, enter, make sure that you get a 0 here. So that one's good. Then we should check the other one, second calc value, and test 3. Enter. There we go. We have those 2 zeros, and then we can do synthetic division with them. So for the synthetic division, we'll use a 2. We do 1 minus 17, 111 minus 297, and 270. Draw your line, bring your first one down. 1 times 2 is 2, negative 15. This gives us negative 30. So 111 minus 30 gives us 81. 81 times 2 gives 162. This gives us negative 135 times 2 gives us negative 270, which gives us 0. We expect that because this is a 0. Right. Then we divide into that line with a 3. So we have 1 times 3 is 3, negative 12. Negative 12 times 3 is negative 36. 81 minus 36, 45. 45 times 3, 135. And that combined with negative 135 gives you 0. So this is the quadratic you want to solve. We are down to x squared. So x squared minus 12x plus 45 equals 0. This is not going to factor. And from your calculator, with it just crossing 2 times, that means your other zeros are complex. So don't even try to factor it and work on this polynomial. So we're going to go to quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b. All right, we should have listed our a, b, and c. A is 1, b is negative 12, and c is 45. So x is equal to negative b, so that will be a positive 12 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So we have 12 plus or minus the square root. Negative 12 squared gives you 144. This will be minus because there's only one negative. 4 times 45, 180. And we're over 2. So 144 minus 180 gives us negative 36. So this is turning out very nice. This is a perfect square when you take the I out. So it's going to give us 6i. And you have a common factor of 2 all around that plus and minus. So you're going to divide it out. And 2 into 12 will go 6. 2 into 6 will go 3. So you got 6 plus or minus 3i. That's 2 of your zeros. And you have the 3 and the 2.